Trucks? Are you stretching your wheels?
No, Alex just wanted to be like Tony Truck.
Yep, but there's a long way to go.
You know, Tony Truck happens to be a good old friend of mine.
You are friends with Tony Truck? He's the greatest stuntman ever! How do you know him, Grandpa Ted?
Well, it was during a film shoot that we did a very long time ago. Bravo, Tony Truck! You're the best stuntman that ever existed.
This movie's gonna be a big hit, Ted.
Wow. But Grandpa, were you really in a movie?
Sure I was. Now let's all head to Truck Control!
Let's go for our adventure!
For this mission, you are going to have to train with Tony Truck to become wonderful and real stunt trucks yourself. But before you begin, listen to one last very important thing.
You mean like we mustn't forget our snacks?
No, Jeremy. For your own protection, you'll be wearing a special helmet.
Whoa!
Let's go now, Mini Trucks! I am programming the launch pad to send you over to the skate park where Tony Truck is. 4, 3, 2, 1, Mini Trucks, go!
Wow! So cool!
Hey there, Mini Trucks. Your Grandpa Ted informed me of your arrival. I also hear you want to become apprentice stuntmen then?
Yeah! So then that means we can be an action movie?
That's right, but tell me, what do you think you might need to succeed with your stunts?
Me, I know. Don't be afraid and just go for it. Go!
Alex is upside down again with his 4 wheels.
He is. I think just going for it isn't his thing, you guys. You might just discover the stuntman's secrets if you succeed in this task. Now watch me closely. Here we go. That's a job well done.
I got it. We should go very, very slowly.
It's my turn!
No, I'm going first.
Oh no! Don't go together! And that's why I warned you. It's your turn, Lisa. Can you do better than your brothers and sisters?
Well, let me think about it first. I think I've got it! Bravo, Lisa!
But how did you do it?
If we go too slow, we don't have enough momentum. And if we go too fast, we take off and finish up rolling and crashing. We must watch our speed at all times.
Yes, that's correct. You have just found out the secret of stuntmen.
Can we try again, Tony Truck?
But of course, go ahead. Yes, the ramp is all yours.
Whee!
I got it! Me too!
Bravo! Very soon, you could be starring in action movies like real super trucks.
Awesome!
Thank you, Tony Truck! We did it!
We finally have discovered a stuntman's secret. What's this? Piece of cake!
It's so easy!
Congratulations, Mini Trucks! For this, you have earned the Great Stuntman's Cup!
Are you sure that we're supposed to dig here?
Yes, I'm telling you that it's here! Yes, well, I'm not so sure.
Hello there, Mini Trucks! But what are you doing digging a hole in the middle of my yard? are you doing a little gardening?
Not that, Grandpa. We're searching for the treasure of Sam the Truck Pirate.
Yeah, Sam the Pirate. He's the most courageous of all super trucks.
And it's been told that his treasure is hidden somewhere right here in Trucksville.
But you know that there's very little chance that it's hidden in my yard. And anyways, to find hidden treasure, you need a treasure map.
A map?
Well, think about it, dear mini trucks. Let me ask, how do you think a pirate would be able to find the treasure that he had hidden several years back in the past?
With a map!
That's right! Bravo! Well done. And did you know that one day, Sam the pirate told me a little secret?
Ted, my dear old friend, before I go away on my voyage, I want to trust you with me treasure map. And I'd like you to give it to some really brave trucks who are up to the challenge of finding me treasure.
Grandpa, do you really know Sam the Pirate Truck?
Mm-hmm.
Wow! And Grandpa, do you still have the treasure map?
Yep. Let's all meet at truck control to study this more closely.
Woohoo! The treasure is ours!
Dear mini trucks, in order to find the treasure, you're going to need to accomplish several difficult challenges. Let's begin by putting the map up on the computer. The map indicates the treasure is buried in Trucksville Desert. But pay attention, be careful of the mud river.
Okay, Grandpa!
I'm going to program the launch ramp to transfer you directly into the middle of Trucksville Desert. Prepare yourselves for takeoff. 4, 3, 2, 1. Mini trucks, go!
The treasure map indicates that the treasure is buried across this bridge.
There's no way we're gonna be able to cross it. There are gaps.
It's easy. Let me do it, and I'll be the first to get the treasure. Whoa! Ugh.
You must not confuse using speed with rushing recklessly, Alex.
Well, if I hadn't slipped, then I'd already be on the other side. Go on, Jeremy, it's your turn.
I'll never be able to do it. I'm too scared.
Go on, of course you can do it.
Whoa! Whoa! Ah!
Oh, poor Jeremy. I think I understand it. Lisa, come on, let's go together. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, and jump! 1, 2, 3, and jump! Super! We've done it! Your turn. You can both do it. It's easier together. 1, 2, 3, and jump!
1, 2, 3, and jump!
Woohoo!
And we made it!
From the treasure map, the treasure might be right around here, but I can't see it. There's just sand.
The treasure of Sam the Super Truck Pirate.
Super! We have done it!
But the chest is empty. Someone has stolen Sam the Pirate's treasure. Sam the Super Truck Pirate!
Bravo there, mini trucks. You've successfully passed the
What?
test.
But the chest is empty.
Well, that's normal. I created this challenge to see if you are truly worthy of being pirates. You have proven yourselves with teamwork, with great courage, and with goodwill. Here is the reward you have earned.
Yes!
And now welcome aboard, new crew member.
Thank you! Hey, take a look! It's Grandpa Ted who's come to join us!
Bravo! You four have found Sam!
Hey, Grandpa, we all won. And look at what Sam has given us.
Bravo, mini trucks! You have passed the challenge. And now you've all become real super truck pirates! You've definitely earned the trophy for the treasure hunt!
Yippee!
Hi, Gary. You're up early this morning. Is everything okay? Someone took your mirrors while you were sleeping? That's terrible. But don't worry, Gary. Let's call Car Patrol to get to the bottom of this. Guys? We have a problem. Gary just woke up at the racetrack, and his mirrors have been stolen. Can you help track down who took them? Great. Let's go. Car Patrol is here to help solve your missing mirror case, Gary. Lily and Flavie, your mirrors are missing too? Something fishy is going on around here. Let's try to figure out what it is. Let's see. You were all sleeping here at the racetrack because you need to help prepare for today's car show. Gary is here to make sure everything is clean before cars arrive. Lily, you'll be bringing spectators to the show. And finally, Flavie will be carrying the cars that are starring in the contest. Did we get all the facts right? Wait a minute. Who else is here this early? Hector, please fly over the track and tell us what you see. Is anyone on the track? Tyler Tyke? That's strange. It's too early to be out here, and he's not even in the show. You told Tyler you would be sleeping here? You too, Flavie? That means he knew each of you would be here. But why would he steal your mirrors? Matt may have found something over here. Let's follow the screws. Listen. You hear something? It's Tyler and Susie. And there's Gary's mirror. And Lily's mirror. And Flavie's mirror. Susie, Tyler, what's going on here? Tyler borrowed these mirrors so that Susie could make sure she looked her best before the car show? That was nice of you, Tyler, but you shouldn't take things that don't belong to you. It's okay, Tyler. Now you know, right? Let's get these mirrors back to Gary, Lily, and Flavie. And next time, we don't take things without asking. Thanks, Car Patrol, for teaching a valuable lesson. Bye, everyone. See you next time. Hi there, Troy. Why are you in such a hurry? He can't hear us because of the music. Let's try again. Troy!
Oh.
That's better.
Oh.
Why the rush?
Oh. Oh.
So you're bringing medicines to Amber at the hospital?
Oh. Oh.
That's great.
Oh.
We shall not disturb then.
Oh.
Oh no, the track is broken. If Troy drives here, he will derail. We must warn him. Troy, watch out. Oh, not again. Troy,
Oh.
stop.
Oh.
Finally, the track is broken further ahead. Good thing you came to a halt.
Oh.
Look, there's Steve. Hey, Steve, can you please call for the Car Patrol? We must catch whoever it was that did this. Guys, we have a huge problem. Somebody has broken the railroad tracks outside Car City. It's really dangerous to all the trains. You're right, Matt. We have to catch the vehicle responsible for this. Let's go. Good idea, Matt. Troy will stay here and close off the tracks so no one has an accident. Good thinking, Matt. Let's see if the vehicle left any clues. Orange paint. Can you find anything more, Matt? What's that? Giant tire marks? This is getting stranger and stranger. Hector, can you fly and look for a vehicle that is orange and has big wheels? Do you see anything, Hector? Marley? So you think Marley did it? Well, if you say so, Hector. Can you call Frank and ask him to drive towards the stadium? Maybe we can stop him there. It's your turn to rise to the occasion, Frank. Turn on your siren and rush to the stadium. Maybe we can manage to stop Marley there. Come on, Frank, you can do it. Well done, Frank. You beat Marley here. Look, there he is. Let's stop him. So, are you the one who destroyed the railroad tracks? You were out practicing for the big show tonight, and you must have touched the railroad track accidentally? That's a good idea. Frank, you are strong, and Marley is strong. Together, you can pull the track into its right position again. Great. Let's go to the railroad then. But Marley, please don't practice around the railroad tracks again. It can be very dangerous, both for you and the trains. Great. Then let's go and fix that railroad. Thank you, Car Patrol, for helping us today. And thanks for keeping guard at the tracks, Troy. Great teamwork, everybody. See you next time.